Hi, in this video I'm going to be talking about how to use visual supports to help your child's understanding and to help them transition between one activity and the next. Sometimes we refer to these as called objects of reference, and what that means is we're going to use an object to represent an activity. You can pick any object that represents that activity for you and your family. Here are some examples. So it might be time to get dressed. So I might come up to the child and say, get dressed. Time to get dressed. And we're using this sock every time to represent that it's time to get dressed. Another example is bath time. So we've got a flannel. So we might say bath time, bath time. And we do this again every time it's time for the bath using the same object. We might have a pretend plate or a plate that your child uses when it's time to eat. So when I might say lunchtime, lunchtime, and then they'll know it's time for lunch. Another idea is when it's time to go outside, you might get their coat or a coat, and we might say outside, outside, there. So you can pick any object that means something to you and your child for an activity, and the idea is that you use the same object every time it's that activity, and it's to clue your child into what's going to happen next so they find it easier to transition to that next activity. Have a go and we hope it helps. Thank you.